How to find and sync contacts on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vipin Basnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can find and sync contacts on Facebook. Well, basically the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, what you want to do is you want to open up your Facebook application. Now here you want to tap on the menu option at the top right corner of your screen below the messenger icon, and then tap on the gear icon. Once on settings, here you'll be able to see those options. You want to head into the account center option that you can see here, Meta Account Center. You want to simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, you'll get an face like this, and under account settings you'll find the option that says your information and permissions. You want to go ahead and tap on it, and once you tap on it, here you'll be headed into this option here where you'll be able to see the option upload contacts. You can see they're right there on the screen. You want to simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, you want to choose the syncing contacts option that you want to enable for Facebook or Messenger or Instagram. Since you want to do it for Facebook, simply tap on Facebook option, and here you can see continuous contacts upload option. You want to simply toggle this switch on and it'll be switched on. So this way you can find and sync contacts on Facebook. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.